In 2025, the choice between T-Mobile and AT&T hinges on your priorities. T-Mobile generally wins on speed and price, especially in urban areas. AT&T offers broader, more reliable coverage, particularly in rural locations. T-Mobile's basic unlimited plans start around $50 per month with autopay, and they're known for bundling deals. AT&T is typically a bit pricier, around $65 a month for similar plans. The best option depends on where you need coverage and how much data speed matters to you. T-Mobile covers 99.8% of the US population with LTE and 5G, while AT&T boasts 99.9% LTE and over 90% 5G coverage. For speed, T-Mobile's mid-band 5G often delivers faster average speeds than AT&T in real-world conditions. However, AT&T's 5G Plus wave can provide ultra-fast bursts where available. T-Mobile often has deprioritization after 22 gigahertz on lower tiers. AT&T offers family plans and international add-ons. Consider real-world examples. If you're in a rural area like Montana, AT&T likely provides better reliability, whereas in a city like NYC, T-Mobile might offer faster speeds.